Welcome to solverfy.
So we are given with the following reaction of C6H6 along with bromine. We need to calculate the moles of benzene that is being formed. The mole of benzene, we know the formula for number of mole is weight divided by molecular mass. The molecular mass of benzene is 78, while the mass provided is 30 grams. So the moles turns out to be 0.384 mole. Same has to be done for bromine Br2, weight divided by molecular mass. So the weight provided in bromine case is 65, while the molecular mass is 159.8. You can round it up to 160. Now, limiting reagent. Limiting reactant is the reactant which gets totally consumed in a complete chemical reaction, and it is the reactant that determines the amount of product formed. We can determine the limiting reagent for the following above reaction as follows. So, 1 mole of benzene, yes, 1 mole of benzene reacting with 1 mole of bromine to form 1 mole of bromobenzene. Hence, 1 mole of benzene forms 1 mole of bromobenzene. We can write it over here. 1 benzene gives us 1 bromobenzene. Then 0.384 moles of benzene will provide 0.38 moles of bromobenzene. Along with that, 1 mole of bromine, 1 mole of bromine provides us 1 mole of bromobenzene. So 0.407 moles of bromine will give us 0.407 moles of bromobenzene. For the same case, 1 mole of bromobenzene, mole of benzene formed is less than the mole of bromine, which refers benzene consumes first in the reaction. Hence, benzene will act as a limiting reagent. Or you can simply determine that which of the reactant has lesser number of moles will be acting as the limiting reagent. In this case, benzene. Further, benzene is the limiting reactant and bromine is the XX reactant. The mole ratio between benzene and bromobenzene is 1:1. So the mole of bromobenzene are equal to the mole of benzene, that is 0.384 mole. The mass of bromobenzene is 157 grams. We need to calculate the mass of bromobenzene as moles of bromobenzene multiplied with the molar mass of bromobenzene, which gives us the mass of bromobenzene produced, that is 60.03 grams. Further, the is actual yield is 42.3 grams, while theoretical is 60.3 grams. We need to calculate the percent yield as follow. So percent yield formula is actual divided by theoretical multiplied with 100. which gives us 42.3 divided by 60.3 multiplied with 100 gives us 70.1% of yield.